Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix unidentified network. No internet access in Windows 11/10. Method 1. Reset network using command. Prompt. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each command. First command, netch int IP reset c:\resetlog.txt. Second command, netch winsock reset, and the last command, ipconfig/flush DNS. These commands will reset your network settings and fix many common internet problems. After entering all the commands, restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue is still there, follow the next method. Or method 2. Change IP and DNS settings. Again, go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. And then search the Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. After that, click Change Adapter Settings from the left side. Here you will see your network connections. Right-click on your Ethernet connection and select Properties. Now find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and double-click on it. Select Use the following IP address. Enter your IP address and default gateway according to your router. Then go to the DNS section and enter these values. Validate settings upon exit is checked, then click OK. Now restart your computer and check your internet connection. If the problem is still not solved, try the final method. Method 3. Reinstall network driver. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Now expand Network Adapters. Find your Ethernet adapter, then right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Uninstall Device. Don't worry, this will only remove the driver temporarily. Now restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct network driver. After restarting, open Device Manager again. Right-click the network adapter and select Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. Once the update is complete, check if the network issue is fixed. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.